Time to go supernova. Time to turn super. Saiyan 4. Two arch enemies fused into one hero. Meet the fusion of Omega Shenron and Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. Ever since their final battle, I never would have guessed that Unreal Gaming would fuse them into one. If you saw my body character designs for how to draw both of them, you guys are happy to see me draw them if you please. It's like I'm drawing the Omni King here. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
These spikes here on his chest are the black Dragon Balls, which were originally dark blue Dragon Balls. I think Gogeta and Omega Shenron had to fuse against this to take down that evil Super Saiyan 4 Pan. To be honest, I never really liked Pan. Well, she'd be next in line to bear the heart of darkness. But just admit it, you guys. Dragon Ball GT needs an upgrade. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here's his body. Here's his belt. Here's his hand. There we go. That takes care of that. There's one last thing to draw, and that's his tail. And done. That is how you draw Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta and Omega Shenron combined. Alexa, what is Omega Shenron? Alexa, what is Omega Shenron?
Omega Syndrome is a 1986 action film starring Shenron, George Costanza, and Xander Berkeley. An ex-GI's daughter is abducted by a gang of white supremacists. He calls on one of his former army buddies, and together they set out to track down the gang and rescue his daughter. The film is 1 hour and 30 minutes long. The movie has a rating of 4.3 out of 10 on IMDb based on around 300 votes, and is rated R.
Okay. Alexa, in Dragon Ball, what is Omega Shenron?
From BrainWritings.com. Super Yi Sing Long, or commonly known as Omega Shenron, in the English dubs, is the after effect of Sin Shenron absorbing the Dragon Balls into his being, making him nearly invincible.
Alexa, in Dragon Ball, what is Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta?
From Charlintel.com. Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta, Green, SP, one of the hardest hitting characters ever with abilities that counter elemental disadvantages.
Okay, glad I got that done. Anyway, that is how you draw the fusion. Good night, guys.